Alright, so this is the last part of the Lego car. This is the steering wheel. It should be done in about 4 steps. So let's go ahead and get started. Create a new part, go File, New, hit OK. Remember to change this to millimeters. Now that we're in millimeters, we're going to go ahead and click on the front plane and then go to Sketch. Go ahead and select the circle tool and draw 2 circles. Doesn't matter the size, just 2 circles. Let's go ahead and add some dimensions. The first dimension will be 3.8, enter, and then the next circle will be 2.4. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and go to the features, extrude, and we're going to extrude it 3.5 millimeters. Check. Good. So that's the first part. Let's go ahead and go into the front plane again. Click on the front plane. Go to normal 2. And then go to sketch. And let's go ahead and draw 2 circles. Alright. Let's go into smart dimension. And add a dimension in the outside circle of 11.8. And then this smaller circle will be 9.8. Alright, so now let's go to features, extrude, and let's extrude this by 1.5. Okay, alright, so you should have a shape something like this. Now that you've done both step 1 and 2. Alright, let's go ahead and go into the next step. The next step will be clicking on the right plane, go to normal 2, go to sketch, and we're going to draw a line from actually be sure that, okay, so we're going to start sketching, but we need to turn on transparency mode. So let's go ahead and click here and go to this hidden visible lines. Good. That'll show us where the steering wheel should start. Alright, let's go ahead and click here, here, and then let's bring it down to this part, and then bring it down to here. It's about somewhere around here. Bring it all the way to the front until you see the other blue line. Right there. Okay, that should give you this shape. For dimensions, just make sure that you click this button, this circle right here, this little dot, and then click on this line. The dimension will be 0.25. And then this dimension, select this line, drag it out. That will be 1. Okay. So you should have a like a shape. The shape is from this point to this point to this point to this point to this point. The reason we did transparency is so that we can see where this dashed line is, and we can go into the steering wheel. So now that we have that, we can rotate it. Let's go back into the regular mode. So back into the shaded mode right here. Let's go to features, extrude. So we're going to go ahead and click on the mid plane, and we're going to extrude this by 0.5. Hit check. Okay, good. Now the next step will be turning on your planes, so make sure they're on. So click this plane and turn it on. We're going to turn on actually this plane, the front plane, the top plane I mean, and the right plane. Those are the only 2 planes you should have on. Okay, if you have anything on, just turn it off. Now we're going to go and click under features. We're going to click onto reference, axis. For the references, we're going to select this plane and this plane. The top plane and the right plane. Check. Alright, so make sure your axis is in the middle of the steering wheel. If it isn't, then you might need to select different planes. So now we can turn these planes off. So we'll turn off this plane, turn off this plane, so that we can just see the axis. Alright, for the last step, go into this linear pattern, the bottom arrow, go to circular pattern. For this part, we're going to go ahead and click on the axis. If you don't have equal spacing, go ahead and click on the equal spacing. Sometimes it starts off at instant spacing. Go to equal spacing. For the next part, go to features, click here, and we're going to go ahead and click on this part. Alright, so if you have too many instances, let's reduce this number, 27, to 3. Okay, and then hit check. That's it. That's the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and save this part as Lego Part 6. That's it.